Welcome back, people. You don't know, boy, Enjay there again, guys. There with another video. Today, guys, we're gonna about some breakfast down by the farm, isn't me? So we're up on the farm right now. Yeah, so we're gonna look about some breakfast right today, right by the spring, isn't me, guys? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the stuff and I'm gonna do breakfast. We're gonna do some cocoa, some dashi, and some banana with some dumpling, isn't me? And we're gonna look about some fresh pop chow, isn't me? Or bok choy or bok choy, whatever you guys might know it as. Isn't me, guys? So we have a cocoa them here, so and we have a pop choy this, so isn't me? So that are the pre-feed in the morning, guys. So what we are gonna do, we are gather the stuff them and we are head back from the spring and we're gonna try to start out some breakfast. We'll look about the pop choy in some coconut juice. So stay tuned and keep on watching. I hope you all just enjoy this video, isn't me, guys? So keep on watching. Alright, guys, so see there, we just dig with cocoa them. We are going to put in the pot. Yeah, man, to find some nice one under this a while ago. See them? So we plant it back. So we are go down the road now and we are going to try and get the banana now and the dasheen. So that's the next stop, banana and dasheen. So just forward and we could get that done. Alright, we got the banana now. So I don't know. Head back on the farm now. Alright, peeps, so look who decided to join on the farm today. We have Kneading official TV today, guys.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Over there. Just come and get a jelly.
Alright, so I'm drinking jelly. We're gonna head back round for the farm. We're gonna do with some food, isn't me? You fresh? We'll get a fuller one. Alright, peeps, so we're head back on the farm now. And we're gonna get the fire start up and start the ball rolling, isn't me? Alright, peeps, so we made it back at the spring. Yeah, we have the things that we're going to look about today. We make it back by the spring, people. So right now, the pre now is get the fire started, isn't it? So I go on there, we have a fire stick them or something. So I'm gonna get some fresh pop chow. I think I'm gonna look about the coconut with the pop chow and everything first, and then we cook the food, isn't it? So I get the pop chow them cut, wash off, clean up, cut up, and put on it on the fire, isn't it? So we are going to catch the fire now. And then we'll cut the pop chow and so we're going, isn't it?
How like this. But I get a couple years old, you know. Coconut leaf. White.
Alright people, so as you don't know what time to put on the pot on the fire with the coconut juice. See there? Yeah. Cover back the pot. I'm gonna drop it on the fire now. Alright. That's a go on now guys. So I make that go and boil while pop show this so. We're gonna get them cut up now. So keep on watching. Time to cut up the pop choy, bok choy, you want to name this for them or something. Okay, sharp like a razor. Some people say they don't like pop choy because they're bitter.
Oh, pop so bitter.
So they have bitter taste. Maybe
bitter
they never good.
See, no bitter than anything else.
So do they put them there? Callaloo.
Callaloo bitter than anything else.
Yeah, callaloo bitter than it. They used to like callaloo, you know. They used to like pop choy more. You know, you see them as something in the little boys. You just peel and jelly.
No, I'm kind of full on them.
They are dashing coke on them something there. When my grandmother put them that a little road, oh, I down the road, I'm going to look cane. Cane and jelly and ripe banana and something eat. I don't want it. Pumpkin and all them something there. No?
The banana is force to eat.
The thing about now, you see, right, so for instance, I come home now and she cook. You see, me I come and I expect to say, yeah, you can get some hard food and like some dumpling and banana, yam and I come and rice. Just look funny and just turn on it. I like white rice, you know.
People eat it so often.
Alright, I know white rice I don't mind thing. If it is a rice and peas, fine. So I cut up the pop show them now. Look at this one now. Everybody put in a pot and shit.
You put the whole pot in it.
Yeah, let's get them now. So like these man, rice can be easy, but to some people, how much money do you think this costs, you know?
$0 and $0.
Only thing, you would have to say, flour. Right. And if you have $200, you can buy like a flour and like a seasoning. But to go buy a pop chow now, you have to spend at least $150. To buy them a cocoa, you have to spend at least $500. Buy one coconut, you have to spend at least $300. Banana again, one is 2 bills. Almost $1,000 that.
And you plant yourself too.
Plant yourself. And everybody have the resources.
At the time and space.
Right. To deal with it. So. But you can plant something. Get up here. But if you have a family, you see. Then you can plant something. So you want banana, flat and something. This thing. So done. Peeps, you see there, we just put in some natural seasoning, sweet pepper, onion, scallion and thyme, some all-purpose, and some curry, and a chicken noodle, you see me? So, we're going to put it in my pop chow now, and we're going to cover it up, and make it go and cook. And when it done cook, you know what time for the food them. So, we're going to just throw in my pop chow now. Alright peeps, so see there? Pop chow time. Alright, just give it a little, you know, you can stay that way and go and steam. Alright. Right now, I time to put on the food them. So I go get everything clean up, flour if you need, food for peel and something like that, you see me guys. So the first thing first, I always try to need flour first because I don't like you need flour and then I have to go back to the day. And I like to go in the dirt and then need flour, isn't it? So I get the flour need now and get the food and peel up afterwards. So let's do that now. Alright peeps, I don't know. Time for the flour, you know. So I get the flour need up now. Alright guys, so see the flour here. So I need the flour and then get back to you guys. So keep on watching. Alright peeps, so see there. Flour need now, you know, so I don't know what time to put it on the pot. So time to check on the pot, you know. Looks cool. So I go on the pot now. Oh gosh. Hey. Yes, peeps. You don't know, so time to get this off, you know. Cool. Banana. Eat banana? The banana is full of peel. Red cocoa.
Here's my plate book.
Di food na pot. Base pa apa tu?
Perlu dah ni.
Mahal.
So guys, right now I got some food. Just some food on the you know.
Dia food apa mana apa? Cepat don yang return ya. Cepat don ni mana tak semua file.
Ini lagi penting.
Ang lang ya tu ada.
Dia nak nak only you can. Look, look the.
What?
No, look, look. Go.
Bad. Muna dah naik pacar so.
for everything sometimes.
You believe of everything. And if you never add some more water, it will taste better too. But you never add the water because it dry down too much. So I'll go on a pot here. To make happenings this.
So that really compliment, you know.
I'll go on. Yeah. Yeah man, I plate this one.
Okay, best plate, man.
By your friend. Life. Yeah. Yeah man. Jelly. Alright peeps, so I don't know food done, so no fun done. You see me so eh? Alright peep, my food done. Yeah man. I empty plate in this here, empty pot. See there? Wash about them now. Wash out in them now peeps, I don't know what time for it. Lift up. See me guys, so I hope you all enjoyed that video. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe Brian. We have Din here, so remember to go over to his channel and show him some support, you see me? So we have the dog here so too. Yeah, you know get none of food because I come late, so we're just clean up now people and get ready to cut, you see me? So hope you all just keep on watching until my next upload. Peace out.